Happy New Year! My name is Lisa. I'm broker owner of Blue Ribbon Realty in Crown Point, Indiana. And today we're going to talk about decluttering 101. And what do people who move need to do? They need to get things out of their house. The best way to do that is start now in January. And even if you're not thinking of moving until spring, summer, or even later this year or next year, there is always opportunity. I guarantee you have stuff that you're thinking that you're not going to take with you. No better time than now to start planning. I wanted to share with you my 5 top tips for how to start that ball rolling and make it feel like it's less of a chore. Number 1, go room to room. Don't try to do everything all at once. Focus on one room at a time. You don't have to do it all in that one room at one time either. It's 15 minutes here, 20 minutes there will start to add up. Number 2, ask yourself when you find an item and you're wondering if you should keep it, donate it, or throw it out. Ask yourself, when was the last time I used this? I wore this. I looked at it. I read it. Number 3, my favorite time of year, we call it storage solution sales. If you like Rubbermaid totes, I think they're great for preparing to move. You can put your items in the totes, those nice big Rubbermaid totes. They come in all different colors, so you can color coordinate. Maybe all the clothes go in a red tote, or you get clear totes so you can see what's in everything. But simple permanent marker on the tote, you can actually mark what's on there or what room it will go into. If it's a kitchen item, if it's a bedroom item, if it's clothing, if it's like your box of games. It does make moving a lot simpler. Number 4, the moment you start, I'd advise have a bag ready because it's going to put you in that mindset. A bag for items for Goodwill and charity and a bag for garbage. Because if you don't have that bag out ready, it's harder to throw away those things that you've been keeping for 20 or 30 years. If you're like me, you will find mismatched sheets, pillowcases, extra pillows you don't use, the random bath towel that's pretty worn out, but yet you still keep it in your closet, but you don't use it. I'm going to make a quick suggestion. Call the animal shelters near you and see if they are at that moment accepting donations of those items. There's some shelters accept pillows, some do not. Most of them will accept blankets and towels. It's nice to deliver something that's going to be used, put to use, and is really needed by the shelters in the area. You feel like you're doing a good deed, and you are. And number 5, I think this is one of the most important and time-saving tips also. Take that time when you're cleaning an area and decluttering and going through your items and starting to what we call pre-pack or declutter. Take that time to clean that space in that room. I can't emphasize this enough. This will come in handy. Do a nice deep clean. Get that trim, get the baseboards. Dust areas you don't usually dust. Or vacuum that floor after you've taken those items out of that closet. If you're planning to sell, this is the time to get those areas you'd never get. Get them done now and then put those totes back. They're clean, it's ready to go, and it will make moving day so much easier. Whether you're renting or planning to sell the current residence you're in, you will find that this step is going to save you lots of time on moving day. And here's my bonus. Don't be scared to throw out something that's broken. If it's been broken for 15 years and you still haven't fixed it, you're more than likely not going to fix it or use it. Really ask yourself, will you be fixing it anytime soon? I know it's the hardest thing in my world is to throw out something. I don't like to throw things out. I just don't. But if it has no value and no use and you're moving, and have you taken this on through multiple moves and still gotten rid of it? I think it's fair to keep things that are of sentimental value, but if it's something that you're thinking, I'm going to fix this, I might use this in the future, and if you haven't used it in a long time, really ask yourself, is it worth toting to the next place you live? I hope you found this information useful. I'm here to help if you have any questions. All our information's below. Let me know if you have any tips or tricks of the trade that'll help others with their moves in the future. We could always use more help and something that's reasonable. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.